Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by signing into your Google account and opening Google Forms right away. Once done, name the form and write a one-sentence description so respondents know the purpose. Next, choose whether to collect emails or limit responses. This affects privacy and follow-up. Make a quick decision on form type: survey, quiz, or registration, because that determines default settings. Finally, select who can respond and whether sign-in is required. These prerequisites make the rest of the build smoother and faster. You now add and refine questions, mixing multiple choice, short answer, and file upload depending on data you need. Use sections to break long forms, then apply go to section based on answer to create conditional flows. This keeps respondents focused and improves completion rates. Make sure required toggles are set where necessary. Once the structure is right, style the theme, pick colors, fonts, and a header image so the form looks professional. Finally, preview on desktop and mobile to catch layout issues. You finish by picking where responses go, link to a spreadsheet for analysis, or keep them in forms. Make a clear confirmation message and set options like allowing edits after submit or collecting respondent emails. Then distribute. Share a short link, embed in a site, email directly, or generate a QR code for print. If something breaks, run a full test submission while signed out, clear cache, and verify sharing permissions. This single test usually reveals permission errors or skipped required fields.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.